My name is Stefano. I'm 25 years old. I've been playing drums for 10 years now, and I've played in bands such as Blood, Interval of Clarity, Macadelial, Life Breath, and many more. There is a new project that will come out soon called Obsidian, and I hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. I play the Collision 5B Reach Drumsticks. There are a lot of reasons why I love them so much and why I chose this model. So first of all, they are longer, and for the style of playing that I have, it's a great plus. Second of all, they are weight matched. I can tell the difference between the left and the right stick. Then they are quite sturdy too. I've been playing them for like 12 hours straight, and there isn't even a chip visible. And last but not least, another thing that I love about these drumsticks is that they are on the heavier side, and being longer, it actually allows me to use the rebound much easier. So now I will be showing you my rehearsals with my band. I'll be playing for you Be My Eyes, taken from our first album that unfortunately is not out yet. I hope it will be soon. If you want, you can find me on Instagram as @NotYourDrummer. And see you soon, I guess. See ya.